this rod down over here. Now, we'll get him out of there. Come here, mate. Come here. Come here. It's pretty hard to do this with one hand, and you can't lean over in these kayaks, so they just tip over. Hang on, open up. Open up. Well, he doesn't want to play the game. Anyway, what we'll do is we'll get him up here. Get him up here. Get him up on here. Put my finger in his gob, if he'll open it. Open up, mate. There we go. There we go. Nice little cod. There. Alright, okay. We'll let him go. Give him a bit of a swim around there. Give him a little bit of a play in the water. He'll give a kick and off he'll go in a second or two. He won't be harmed. He'll be alright. These little fins are starting to work. There he goes. Happy as can be. Yeah, well, that's alright. That's a yellow belly and a cod this morning. The sun's poking itself out from the clouds. Yeah, well, I might give up for now. It's sad to go when they're still biting, but I'm going back to have a bit of brekkie.